Hello lovers of Book Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So you might want to stay through this video so I can show you how I made this wig from scratch, styled and came out with this end results. So keep watching, make sure you like and subscribe, turn on the notification so you'll be updated when I do a post. So first you're going to pin your closure or your frontal down on your canvas head. After doing that, you're going to sew it round. Then you're going to do the markings for where your waft is going to sit at. So next, you're going to begin your sewing. So I use a C needle, which I think is just preferable, and it's very easy to use compared to the straight needle. So you can use whatever works best for you. And here is our progress so far. So you're just going to repeat the same process till you get to the top of your hair. And when you're done, it should look like this. Don't bother about this, baby. We're going to fix this up real quick in a split second. So let's get into the styling. First, we're going to cut off this wig cap, and always make sure you rather cut your finger than cut the client's wig off with lace. So you're going to carefully cut this out where the frontal is sitting, or your closures, depending on which one you use. You might want to be very careful with this particular step because you can damage your lace if you're not careful. And when you're done with that, I went ahead to tint it. I forgot to put that on record. Then I went with my heat protector and my wax stick. So I'm just going to apply on the frontal. Then I'm going to go in with my hot comb to just slick it down. As you can see, instantly you can see its difference. So after doing that, I'm going to go in with my holding spray so I can hold the frontal in place, and then I'm going to put this band so that I can prevent rip outs. And another tip for preventing rip outs, you can always use office pins on your lace, and then you can use T-pins or cushion pins for the back of your hair. So I also did this styling off camera. Now let's get into the coiling process. First, you're going to prep your hair. Always make sure you blow dry your hair because that's a very important step, and it's going to determine how your hair comes out. So always make sure you blow dry your hair. So when coiling my hair, I always make sure I use hair mousse because I feel like it gives a nice texture to it and also help keeps the coils in place. You can use any other housing coil or coil setup of your choice, whichever works best for you with heat coils. Then I'm going to go ahead and blow dry while brushing it out. Always make sure you do this in sections so you can get each part of the hair, and they can also get each equal part of hair. So when you're done with that, you're going to section your hair, and you're just basically going to wrap it around your coiling one, hold it for some seconds, and you can spray your holding spray and you let go. But I decided to pin it down because I just wanted a more dramatic effect and a long lasting coils. So I'm just going to hold it for as long as I can because this coil I'm using, I won't really recommend. The temperature wasn't as good as I hoped it would be. So as you can see, I'm going to have to hold it for extra seconds. And secondly, I'm also going to recommend you use a glove that you can use to prevent your hands from burning, especially when dealing with coilers and all of this, so you don't injure yourself. So you're just going to hold this until it's okay. When you feel it's hot enough, you can then let go. Like I said, you can always pin it down, or you could just spray your holding spray and release it and move to the next. So here's what our hair is looking like halfway done, as you can see. And I'm going to finish the rest off camera so I don't waste a whole lot of your time. I'm just going to speed this up real quick. So basically you're repeating the same process. You're just going to section your hair, wrap around your coiling one, pin down, and then move to the next section, wrap and pin down. As easy as that. Make sure you drop any questions you might have in the comment section, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, we're almost done with this hair. It took a lot of time, but it was worth it. As you can see in the beginning of the video, the results was all worth it. So now we are done, and here's what it's looking like. So in this part, you could leave this for maybe a day depending on when you want to use your wig. So this is all about preference. You can leave it in for how long you want your coils to last or when you have to use it. So I'm just going to take out the pins and I'm going to spray my holding spray as I take them out, and you could do this after taking them out. I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste a lot of your time and look at those coils. So guys, after doing this, you can always comb it out, but I decided to leave my coils this way because I just prefer it this way. So next I'm going to take my heat protector and I'm going to spray on the areas where I'm going to hot comb, just so I can give that perfect finishing look. So you're just going to hot comb the areas of the hair so they can blend and look more natural and more appealing. Because after coiling your hair, as you can see, some parts are lifting and whatnot, so it isn't looking very natural and very appealing. So we're just going to fix this out real quick. You could also use your holding spray so that it can help keep it in place more. And like I said, you can always comb your coils out or let them be and comb it out in a day or two. So when you're done with that, you're going to go in with your holding spray, and after spraying that, you're going to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you're going to go in with your hairspray, or you can use your hair serum, apply on your hands and gently scrunch your coils. And if you're done, it should look something like this. Like I said, you could always comb it out, but I prefer this look. I wanted to rock this look for a day or so before I comb it out. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and you subscribe, turn on the notification. I post amazing tutorials and step-by-step guides to help beginners and pro alike, so make sure you check out my videos. And now that class is over, I hope you remember the points I gave to you. First, make sure you always wear protective gear, maybe a glove or something like that can absorb your heat so you don't get injured. Second, you want to hold your coils for some seconds before letting it go. That way the coils are going to set beautifully and are going to maintain its shape. So any questions, let me know in the comment section. Bye. And the next tip is always make sure you blow dry your hair. This is very important when coiling your hair, when straightening your hair, so it doesn't really matter what you're doing. Blow drying your hair is going to give you a very smooth finish, so never skip that step. And I think we are done. Thanks for watching once more, guys.